Crown mortar mixers are a line of high-quality mixers designed specifically for heavy-duty applications, such as mixing mortar, plaster, stucco, and other similar materials. Crown mixers offer engine options, including gas or electric, that cater to a variety of workspaces and preferences. The drums are engineered for durability with heavy-duty steel construction. The interior is often reinforced to handle abrasive elements. Crown mixers typically include a patented pedal system that optimizes the mix by reducing the formation of clumps. The blades are designed to fold and thoroughly mix the materials for a more consistent mix. Built to handle rough conditions. Crown mixers come with a durable chassis and reinforced frame for stability in difficult work areas. Crown designs its mixers to be relatively easy to clean and maintain, which helps extend their lifespan. Many models have large wheels for easy movement across the construction site, and some have towing options. Crown offers a variety of sizes and capacities according to the scale of different projects, from small 4-bag mixers to large 12-bag mixers. Capacity, drum size, and horsepower vary, so users can choose the model that fits their workload. Made for industrial and commercial use, Crown mixers are known for their longevity even under difficult conditions. The option between gas and electric allows for use in a variety of environments, including indoor and remote outdoor locations. Crown mortar mixers are widely used in construction due to their durability, efficient mixing ability and adaptability. They are a popular choice among professionals who need reliable equipment for high-volume projects. So don't wait. Order your favorite products right now. For more information, visit Certified MTP.